So after announcing the Fossibot F112 Pro, Fossibot has announced the Fossibot F107 Pro. Now this rugged phone is much more better than the F112 Pro. The F112 Pro is considered one of the most stylish rugged phones of 2025. But this device here is a beast. It is a pure rugged device with a rugged design, a rugged build, a rugged look. As for its release date, I don't know yet, but I'm expecting it to officially launch in April. Anyway, some of its specs are unveiled and they are impressive, guys. Some of the specs includes a 28,000 mAh battery. As for the charging speed, that's not reviewed yet, but I hope this device ships with a super fast charger. I'm talking about 120 watts or at least 66 watts. Because anything lower means that it will take a very long time to charge this device. Anyway, it has 12 GB RAM and 512 GB internal storage. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 octa-core 5G processor. It has a 6.95-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz IPS LCD display. It ships with the latest Android 15, which is impressive. And finally, the device features a 200 MP main sensor. As you can see, the specs of the Fossibot F107 Pro are quite impressive, and as I mentioned earlier, the device is yet to be released, but it is expected to launch in April. And as regarding its price, I'm expecting this device to cost at least $400, guys. Perhaps Fossibot may come up with, a discount sale that would enable you guys to be able to get the Fossibot F107 Pro when it's released for a very affordable price. Anyways, that's it for the video. What do you guys think about the Fossibot F107 Pro? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.